Today we are sharing the 10 most essential Linux commands with you guys. So let's dive right into it without any further delay. Here we have our Ubuntu terminal open. We are ready to run the commands here. So first up we have to write the ls command. This bad boy displays all the files and folder present in your current directory. It's like shining a flagship in a dark room, illuminating everything that's there. Now let's create a directory using mkdir command. We have just created a directory called Kamal. You can verify its existence by running the ls command again. Here dir command used for show directories. There it is in all its glory. To enter the newly created directory, we can use cd command followed by the directory name. Check out the updated path. We are now inside the Kamal directory. If you ever want to retrace your steps and go back to the previous directory, simply run cd space ... command. It's like hitting the back button on your terminal browser. Let's say you want to remove the empty directory we just created. So you can do that with the help of rmdir command. And then double check this with ls or dir command. But remember, this command only works on empty directories, so don't try it with a directory that still has files or subdirectories inside. That's a lot of command already. My terminal is starting to look a bit clustered. Time to freshen things up with the clear command. That's better, a clean slate, but all our previous work is still safely stored. Now let's create some files using the touch command. First, we'll make a new directory and then run touch followed by the file name. To verify that the file was indeed created, we are using the trusty ls command once again. But what good is a file if it's empty? Let's add some content to it by using vim command. We will type vim followed by the file name and a new display will open up. By pressing I, we can switch to the insert mode and start typing away, line by line. Once it's done, we'll hit the escape key, then type :wq to save and exit the file. Finally, to view the content we just wrote, and we'll use the cat command followed by the file name. And there it is, my masterpiece displayed in all its glory right into the terminal. Next we have the pwd command, which stands for presenting working directory. With this command you can find out exactly where you are in your directory. It's like having a GPS for your terminal, always letting you know your current location. We have covered a lot of ground today, but fear not, there are many more commands to explore in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and get ready to become a true Linux command line master.